Welcome all of you in today's topic Ocean Currents Part 2. In this video I'll explain currents of the Atlantic Ocean. In this map you will see two important warm currents to the north and south of the equator. NEC stands for North Equatorial Current, whereas SEC stands for South Equatorial Current. First, I will explain you the different currents of the North Atlantic Ocean. Due to the Coriolis force effect, which is created by the Earth's rotation, this North Equatorial Current deflects to its right in the northern hemisphere and move upwards as the Gulf Stream. This warm Gulf streams originate from the Gulf of Mexico and it moves in the northeast direction along the east coast of USA. Near Newfoundland, it converges with the cold Labrador Current. You can see Labrador Current, which is coming from the North Arctic Ocean. Due to this convergence, heavy and dense fog is caused here. Thus, it becomes difficult for the ships to navigate. And this mixing of cold Labrador and warm Gulf Stream currents create the favorable condition for the fast growth of planktons, which is feed for the fish, and thus the Grand Bank near this Newfoundland has become the world's most important fishing grounds. As the Gulf Stream travels eastward and northeastward beyond Newfoundland, it is known as NAD, stands for North Atlantic Drift. On the western coast, this part of Europe, it bifurcates into two parts. You can see one which flows along the British Isles and Norway as the Norwegian Current, and finally it enters the Arctic Ocean. As this is the warm current which flows through the Western Europe and England, it prevents the seaports from freezing in winter. The seaports here remain open in severe winter conditions also. While you can see the other part which flows southwards as the cold Canary Current, it finally joins the North Equatorial Current and completes the circuit of the North Equatorial Current. Now I will explain the different currents of the South Atlantic Ocean. This South Equatorial Current splits into two branches near Brazil. The northern branch joins the North Equatorial Current, you can see here, whereas the southern branch turns southwards and flows along the South America coasts as the Brazilian Currents. The Brazil Current turns eastward and joins the cold west wind drift flowing from west to east. It is shown with the help of the arrows. A branch of the South Atlantic Current flows along the west coast of South Africa as the cold Benguela Current, which joins the South Equatorial Current and completes this circuit. In between North Equatorial Current and South Equatorial Current, there is a weaker current flowing in the opposite direction. With the help of the arrow I have shown here, the center one in between these two, it is flowing in the opposite direction. This current is known as the equatorial counter current. I'm sure today's topic is absolutely clear to all of you. Don't miss out my next video in which I'll explain currents of the Pacific Ocean. Thank you for watching.